Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a Russian government scholarship. This prestigious program opens doors for international students to study in Russia completely free of charge. You can choose from hundreds of study programs at over 500 universities, enhancing your academic and personal growth significantly. It's a fantastic chance for global education without the financial burden, truly a life-changing opportunity. Eligibility is straightforward, primarily focused on your academic background and nationality. You must be a non-Russian citizen and possess the necessary educational qualifications, like a high school diploma for bachelor's applicants. Demonstrating excellent grades, perhaps scoring above 85% in your prior studies, significantly boosts your application. It truly shows your dedication to learning. The application process starts online through the dedicated government scholarship portal. First, create your profile, then methodically complete each section of the form, ensuring all information is accurate and consistent. Remember to upload every required document as a high-quality PDF file. This meticulous approach helps prevent any delays or rejections, making your submissions smooth and effective. Gathering your documents accurately is a crucial step for a successful application. You will need a clear scan of your valid passport, alongside all your academic diplomas and transcripts, translated into Russian if necessary. Importantly, include a comprehensive medical certificate, verifying you are fit for study and reside in Russia, ensuring your well-being throughout your academic journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.